What's the most loyal thing in your life? Your dog? Maybe. Your shadow? Definitely. It follows you everywhere, copying your every move with silent, unwavering dedication. But what if, one day, it decided to stop copying and start doing its own thing? Let's set the ground rules for our weird day. Your shadow isn't just a dark patch anymore. It detaches from the ground, gains a kind of sentience, and keeps its classic 2D silhouette form. It's still your shadow, linked to you, but now with autonomy. And physics, as we know it, is taking the day off. First, the good news. Your morning is suddenly incredibly efficient. As you stumble toward the coffee maker, your shadow peels off the wall and starts prepping your mug. Need the TV remote? Your shadow slithers across the floor like an oil slick to fetch it. It's the ultimate silent personal assistant. But the quirks appear fast. Shadows are defined by light, right? So now every light source is a puppet master. Under the single bulb in your kitchen, you have one shadow helper. Walk into the sunny living room with 3 windows, that's 3 separate shadows, all popping into existence. You'd have a small committee, and they might not all agree on how to make your toast. Their 2D nature causes the first big headaches. They can slip under doors through the tiniest cracks in the floorboards. Great for finding lost earrings. Terrible for privacy. Your shadow could just slide into the next room to see what you're texting, and forget about hiding your birthday presents.
The real chaos begins outside. Every person, every car, every swaying tree has a living, thinking shadow. The sidewalk becomes a mad, overlapping collage of dark shapes, all with different agendas. A pigeon's shadow might dart after a crumb. A grumpy commuter's shadow might deliberately trip the shadow of a cheerful street performer. It's a silent, flat, anarchic ballet playing out at everyone's feet.
And here's the science twist we can't ignore. Shadows aren't things, they're absences of light. So what is this living shadow made of? We'll call it a stable, self-sustaining dark energy field to sound smart. But really, it's magic for today. This means it has the properties of a profound absence. It's cold to the touch, not ice cold, but a deep, draining chill, like touching something that instantly pulls the warmth from your fingers. And it's silent. It doesn't just not speak, it absorbs sound waves around it, creating little pockets of eerie quiet.
The climax hits at high noon. The sun is directly overhead. For a few minutes, you look down and you have no shadow. It's gone. But it hasn't vanished. Unshackled from you by the perfect angle of the sun, it has achieved total independence. And where does a sentient, slippery 2D absence go? Everywhere. It heads straight for the one place it's truly, completely free: space. In the total, constant sunlight of orbit, with no ground to be cast upon, your shadow and billions of others would coalesce into a vast, drifting cloud of darkness. This thin, cosmic film would begin to wrap around the planet. It wouldn't block all sunlight, but it would dim it, scatter it. Earth would take on a permanent, dusky twilight. Global temperatures would begin a steady, chilling drop. Solar panels become less efficient. Ecosystems, tuned to precise day-night cycles, are thrown into chaos. We engineered our own very polite and very cold apocalypse by giving our silent followers a mind of their own. So, the loyal follower becomes the ultimate runaway. Our shadow, a simple side effect of light meeting object, turns out to be a force of cosmic scale cooling the moment it gains agency. The thought experiment reveals a funny truth. We define things by their relationship to us. A shadow is just my dark copy, but give it independence and its fundamental nature as a light-eating, cold, shape-shifting absence makes it not just a nuisance, but a planetary-scale event. The most mundane parts of our world can hold universe-altering potential. If you enjoyed this dark little thought experiment, give the video a thumbs up.
It helps more people find these weird ideas. What other everyday phenomenon should we bring to life? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more deep dives into the science of the strange. Thanks for watching.